Hello, my name is Anne. Welcome to Anne channel. Today, I am going to introduce you some knowledge about COVID-19. First, city value. The full English name of city value is cycle threshold value. In Chinese, it can also be called the cycle number threshold. It is the value measured by the virus nucleic acid test (PCR) of the new coronavirus gene in the laboratory. But why does the new coronavirus have to be detected by PCR? Shi Xin, Director of Emergency Viral Infections Research Center of Chang'an University, explained that the reason is that the new coronavirus is very small, only 1/10 of general influenza virus. Therefore, if you want to measure the concentration of viral RNA, you must copy specific gene multiple times through PCR for amplification and observation. Every time the virus is amplified, the CT value is 1 unit, which is a power of 2. As for normal people, viral RNA should not be detected. In other words, if the concentration of viral RNA is very high and the PCR test can be observed only a few times, the CT value will be relatively low. On the contrary, when the PCR test must be replicated many times to observe the viral RNA concentration, the CT value is relatively high, but it is almost means that the effectiveness is low. The CT value becomes higher about 14 to 20 days after the symptoms appears in the case. The CT value is higher than 34 to 40 and it is almost non-infectious. Next, I am going to introduce you the difference between PCR nucleic acid detection and fast antigen screening. For PCR nucleic acid detection, first of all, a laboratory and related equipment are required, and then the test report takes at least 90 minutes to be released. In other words, after people undergo PCR testing, they often have to wait until the next day to get the report. Antigen rapid screening is to detect the protein of the virus, and the report can be released in as fast as 15 minutes. However, the screening results can only be negative or positive and cannot quantify the value. Moreover, it cannot enhance the amplified amplification of the concentration signal of viral RNA, and it is inferior to PCR detection in terms of accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity. I hope that the knowledge I talked about today will help you. If you like the podcast, don't forget to like and share below. You can also subscribe and turn on the little bell. Thank you. But I won't update the video regularly. If you have chance, we will see you in the next episode. Bye.